I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto join for specific Wi-Fi networks on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap Wi-Fi near the top of the menu. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle switch is turned on so you can see your networks. Step 3. If you want to disable auto join for the network you are currently connected to, look at the top of the screen and tap the blue letter I information icon next to that network name. Alternatively, if the network you want to modify is not nearby, you can find it by tapping Edit in the top right corner of the Wi-Fi screen, entering your passcode or biometrics, and then tapping the info icon next to any network in your saved history list. Step 4. Look for the auto join option near the top of the information page and tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. The switch will turn from green to gray, confirming that your device will no longer connect to this network automatically. Once you have changed this setting, your device will remember the password for that network, but it will only connect when you manually open your Wi-Fi settings and tap the network name yourself. Alternatively, if you find that your device is constantly trying to connect to completely new public networks that you have never used before, you can change your global settings to prevent this behavior. Go back to the main Wi-Fi settings screen and look for the section labeled Ask to Join Networks. Tap this option and change the selection from Notify to Ask or Off. Setting this to Ask will prompt you with a pop-up before connecting to a new network, while setting it to Off will keep your device completely locked to your known connections until you choose to search for a new one manually. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.